Welcome everyone. Today we are hanging out at Disneyland for the 70th anniversary celebration of Disneyland. And we'll get to see maybe today some fireworks, the Paint the Night Parade, maybe Fantasmic. Who knows what we'll see today. It started off checking out the really cool sculpture they have set up in the Esplanade. That's really neat. Well, let's get into Disneyland and have some fun today. Alright, we have officially made it into Disneyland. And check out the 70th anniversary decorations they have up here at the train station. Very nice. We got the CK Holiday up here. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. Do any of you have a specific way that you usually go into the park? Do you go to the left or the right? I don't know. For me, I always go to the left for some reason. But leave a comment below, let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. We even got Mickey over here in his 70th stuff. Looking good, Mickey. Alright, I think we're going to start this day off strong and hit up Pirates as our first attraction of the day. And check out the new fountain they just unveiled. Very cool.
It's a baboon.
And unfortunately, on this trip, the Tiki Room is closed. So that's kind of a bummer, but that's okay. Treehouse is looking good. And it says Pirates is about a 30-minute wait. So we'll see. See how long it actually takes. I'll let you know. Alright, we're on. Only took about 20 minutes to get on. Not bad at all.
Faster. It'd be too late to alter course, sweetie.
Man, that's the kind of luck I need right here.
Heavy of evil curses, says you. Dead men tell now
Run out your white flag, you slurpy scum, and bring me to Jack Sparrow, where I'll be sending you the day he's home.
Now, your swabbies, what may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer. Belay there, you filth rat.
Quit your fluffing. The gentleman wants the round. Comfortable.
We want the redhead.
Billy Ray 15, Captain Jack there and Boy McCloud. But old Paranova, Wondrous Journeys Fireworks, still there at the waving crowd. Lavina got there first. Oh, and he's on our corner. Things work big free. There's not another way that seems other than me. Can't be Lavina, she's no trial run.
Alright, time for the Haunted Mansion. First time I've seen it without the Nightmare Before Christmas overlay in quite some time. The original Haunted Mansion is still my favorite, so this is going to be great.
Frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present. Cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And hot and cold, running chills.
Spirits, wherever they're at, rap on the table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
And they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
See the new bride. What's up, Hattie? Yeah.
Happy ones with clear eyes, and begin to solve their lives. Bring us hiking ghosts. And they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar.
Okay, yes, that was absolutely amazing. I love the Haunted Mansion. Way better than the Nightmare Before Christmas. And I love Nightmare Before Christmas too. But the original, that's just the best. I think we'll hit Winnie the Pooh. Pretty short line.
Wednesday.
Oh man. All right, Pooh Bear. And I don't care what anyone says, I love Winnie the Pooh. And that, to me, that is such an underappreciated ride here at Disneyland. It's so much fun. And of course, we've got the beautiful Mark Twain. Check out the castle, all decorated for the 70th. Very nice. Maybe we'll knock out one of my personal favorite dark rides at Disneyland, Pinocchio.
Now, you're working for me. Look out!
This way! Oh no!
Always likes a job knocks out of himself. Hurry, hurry! Don't leave yet.
Look out for monster! Pinocchio! Here it is, home!
Pinocchio's home.
Alright, Geppetto's such a good guy. Well, we have wandered into the Temple of the Forbidden Eye to see Indiana Jones.
Are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. The curtain of time. It is your destiny.
we take a cruise on the Storybook Land canal boats.
Monster the Whale, the same whale that swallowed Pinocchio, but don't worry, he's taking us to a magical place called Storybook Land. Today our story begins with a big bad wolf who's always after those 3 little pigs. Luckily, they live across the way from him in one house made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. And curiouser. The cottage on the right side belongs to this. Thanks to the genie, he was able to steal her heart. They are now married and live happily ever after in the Sultan's palace. If an after on a magical carpet ride to a whole new world. Most of our stories here are full of love and life, but they do have their dark places as well. The treasure inside the Cave of Wonders bears a curse.
Magic lamp.
The cottage on the right side belongs to the 7 dwarfs. This is where Snow White was where they both leaned. They gave her shelter and thanks to her kindness, you might be able to see their mine in the back or hear them whistle while they work. And Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but when her stepmother forbade it, her fairy godmother granted that wish. But she did not return home at midnight, so her carriage did turn back into a pumpkin. The wall magic has its limits. Together they discovered the power of love is far stronger than the power of magic. Wished upon a star, first taught Pinocchio to become a real boy, while Pinocchio rescued him from the belly of Monster the Whale to be great.
Alright, let's head on into Mickey's Toontown. Gonna go check out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for the first time. Now, I have been on it at Disney World, but have not been on it at Disneyland yet. So this will be my first time on it.
Nothing can stop us now.
Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you over there.
Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like fun. Let's do that.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. There's a plane. What did
I must have hit that track switch.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
It's a stampede. They're running wild. Oh boy! We made it! Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop them before they go over the...
Had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Well, now you stop
Goofy's completely unaware.
On our side, the stars will be our guide, and nothing can slow us down.
Yeah, that was awesome. Alright, good news is It's a Small World has reopened, and I've got a lightning lane for it. But notice the clock face is not moving.
I heard that if you do this, you have to get it off.
Sides of boat, and please watch your children.
Ended up getting a lightning lane for Big Thunder Mountain. Wow, this ride in the wilderness. Here we go. Yeah.
Standing by the piano is the ugliest.
Had to stop and get a snack. And look at the size of that corn dog. Dang. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that corn dog was amazing, first of all. Second of all, the sun has set here at Disneyland, and it is time for some fireworks right now. And we're going to be viewing it, the Rivers of America. So this should be pretty cool.
This chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But who? It's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be wondrous.
This is a fantastic viewing spot too, right at the Rivers of America right here. That was amazing. And look at the view we're gonna have for Fantasmic coming up soon. Well, I elected to forego going to see Fantasmic and just try to get a good spot for Paint the Night. But just a heads up, I might have to mute the video once the parade starts, due to that music being very copyright protected. But if I do have to do that, I will put some other music on top of it, but I apologize in advance if I have to do that. And let's get ready for Paint the Night. that is going to do it from Disneyland for the 70th anniversary celebration. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, leave a comment below, give the video a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I really appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you all very soon.